So I just took the office chair out of the box. Wanted to show you real quickly what it does come with. We've got the backrest here, the seat. We've got our wheels and our armrest, and this is the base here that we're going to install the wheels into. Just overall, right away to give you my first impression, the material is really nice and soft. I love the color offset with the white stitching. So I'm going to go ahead and put together, show you the features. So I've got it all put together after 20 minutes. Real easy to do. The instructions were really laid out well. I liked it right here through the upper back, and then on the bottom here, it is perforated. That allows breathability. Now this is all PU leather. On the armrests, they are cushioned. You can see here what it looks like on the back side. Now it does have 5 casters, and they roll around really easily, so it's really nice and smooth. On the right hand side here, we have 2 different levers. One is a lift that allows you to raise the seat up or down. And the second one is actually recline. It allows you to lock that position in. This does recline up to 155 degrees, so you're almost, seems like you're laying back. You could definitely take a nap on this. And then on the front here, we do have a footrest. Just flips right out. You can adjust the length of that depending on how you want to go ahead and rest your feet. Now this does have linkage armrests, so as you lean back, the armrests go with it, which is pretty cool. That way, make sure you're nice and comfortable, because when I'm sitting in here for quite a while, going ahead and doing my work on the computer, I want to be comfortable. Hope you found this helpful.